kanjani zonke lezi zinto lezo so uzokhona ukuthi asichazelele naye futhi kanjalo bacishe bathwala ngaye uNkulunkulu wamseva ula namhlanje so ke la next to me sisho
Asti
yaphila
yaphila my brother unjani
right when
ngikhona
thank you so much for coming
uwe nje
Ekugcineni ngiyabonga ukuthi mangithi Nkosi yami wenza indlela ngiyaphela sazi lokuexplainile sicela sivakashele eGoli you never did
the platform abazalwane so we always make time sakwenzeka ngweGoli but eventually sakwenzeka
bozukuze mina wena eGoli that's not fair
askis
yeah right no mfethu kakhulu siswami mhlambe nje ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi ivideo yakho yafenyelela kubantu abaningi kakhulu mhla usilethelo bafakazi bakho obabuthinta impilo zabantu bashintsha impilo zabantu abaningi mhlambe nje nawo kulo qala ukubona ivideo yakho namhlanje mhlambe ungamnikeza highlight ukuthi obonayo nibona ba
brief highlight
yes
ngoba ngithi khona vele
platform
so Ntokozo kaMadlala lo eKhakhi Sendwedwe ufamkele kufamkele story sami sikhuluma ngokuthi iexperience yami abuse before ngishade neabuse emshadweni ekwazi kwagcina sekuthiwa sengithola ukuthi bengiyona nje abuse actually bese ngisacrifice for wealth and from there ngangiveza ukuthi sike sikhale but esikhali sezinye izimo kanti uNkulunkulu siprepare ezinye so getting back home I discovered that there was Illuminati that was being introduced so kwakuyi fight from another fight kodwa mase ngibuka manje I'm grateful because le yanto engithi ibhlungu mina engikhalisa yayincane kunale kwakufanele kwenzeke kusho uNkulunkulu wayengiphusha ngithema ngihleli nje ukukhuluma about this platform namhlanje kwafika ukuthi kuyenzeka ngempela ukuthi ipower yakho is born from your pain wena ukhala uzifise ngisho ukufa kanti uzosima ufa kanti kunezinto ohlushela ukuthi uzoyisave wena so that's that journey continues that was that ukuthi after that ila uNkulunkulu osusubona khona ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngawo
mfethu ngiyazi ukuthi into yakho yathinta abantu abaningi ngokwahlukahlukana kwawo washare story sakho ngiyazi ukuthi baningi abantu abathinteka mhlambe nje uma usushare nje usubriefile nje izinto ezasithinta istory sakho kakhulu ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi awuphindanga salenze linye ithuba lokuthi sizoxoxa mhlambe going onwards ukuthi kwenzakalani mhlambe emveni kokushare istory sakho can you help us what happened iziphi izinto mhlambe ezingezenzeka after lapho
esikufunda ina journey is that when we share our stories nomuntu ongashare manje story sakhe ngiyamhlomisa ukuthi you must be ready ukuthi you gonna get negative and positive feedback ebandleni likaKristu baningi abantu abesebelahlela ithemba lokuthi ngathi izinto ababhekene nazo zibenza babone ngathi akekho uNkulunkulu so after sharing my story baningi abantu abafike bathi lento engibhekene nayo incane so ngiyamdinga uNkulunkulu wakho ngibuyele esontweni ngicela kwa in contact now I need to pray with you so that we gather a strength so and then again kukhona babuza ukuthi ufika kanjani kulo level which is very difficult because ufunda ngama experiences each and every experience noma ngabe incane kanjani noma inkulu kangakanani isike kushiftela to another dimension yokuthi uNkulunkulu akusebenzise and then of course ke sisebenzela umbuso okukhanya will always be umbuso of the dark and also exposing umsebenzi of the dark gets you whipped but ordinary people will not understand that. Not even ordinary people, abantu abasembusweni vele who pretend to be in the light bazokwenza ngathi abakuboni lokho because kushintsha abantu obucabanga ukuthi unabo embusweni kaNkulunkulu abebekhuluma ilanguage efana neyakho but mase bebona ukuthi uNkulunkulu sekukhuluma uNkulunkulu and umlilo kaNkulunkulu wenza kuphume inyoka anithi siyakhumbula ukuthi bahlanganyela noPaul but when uPaul se introducer uJesu ophilayo yilaba decide khona bafuna ukumluma so but then ngikufundile ukuthi in everything osukungena kuyona uNkulunkulu akakufaka entweni ingena iplan ngeke ngithi is a God of provision akakunike ivision enga provide so if there is a vision there's definitely a provision ukuthi ke esithiya kumnandi kubuhlungu but sifunda ukubekezela kuzo zonke inhlupheko bengisho ngithi kunamavesi besikade siwafunda singawa-understand but ekukholweni esikhona manje we need to implement them automatically asevele avuke manje amavesi ukuthi makuthiwa nothula nina makuthiwa nonyathela ofeleba ofezela nenyoka nikume ngenamnyuco ngempela ubuke emuva uthi God, how did I make it through that? And makuthiwa uNkulunkulu kuvusela abantu bohambo lakho kuqhamuka abantu akaze bacabange who understand exactly what you're going through. Abanye they've been experiencing that bengenawo umuntu abangakhuluma naye. So now and kukhona abanye aba understand ukuthi nami ngadlula la. So lo muntu udinga ukukhulekiswa. So kunemithandazo eminye ungayazi that sustains you. So kuningi and it's an ongoing process. And engikufundile ngithe mangibuza kwabaphambi kwami ngithi mina kanti siphumula nini bathi cha. Uthi umhlabelo uhamba inhliziyo yami uyezulwini. Ngoba kokho ukuphumula emhlabeni.
Siswami awusilekelele nakule. Waba na this experience whereby umkhwenyana wakho
angikusena umkhwenyana lo wayewu phela uNkulunkulu uthi asiyiyeke into eyindala phela mase kunqamukile sekuyi past tense owayewu so mawuthi no wami usamnamathelisa kimi and it's spiritually there is a
owayengu umkhwenyana wakho ayefuna ukuthwala ngawe for i-wealth.
Yebo.
Yes. Ngiyazi ukuthi eminye imibuzo ngayithinta laphana ngikubuza mhlawumbe ukuthi what was so special ukuthi kube wena. I think izathu lokho ngoba wawunkosikazi wakhe ne. So ngiyazi ukuthi emveni kokushare story waba nama attacks even after that zonke lezi zinto lezi mhlawumbe maphi lama attacks owahlangabezana nawo after ukushare story sakho maybe amanye might be spiritual. Yes.
Okunye bengakwazi ke but esithima buza ukuthi yini umuntu asoke ethwale ngawo like learning nokuxoxa nabantu. I think ngixoxa nomunye umuntu and uyalubona mangabe unesiphiwo nomama uGcutshiwe usungayibona uyibona. Uthatha isikhathi ukuthi uyibone kanti le gang the underground gang are very sharp. Bayibona inganyakhe saseswini. Bayibona uyizele ukuthi lengane lezoba iproblem. Yikho abantu abaningi belinyazwa besavela. So someone told me ukuthi angazi ukuthi what battle engangenqobile. What now you understand ukuthi why you were a sacrifice because if you go today uyojoin into e-wealth when ungayidecide ukuthi hayi ngizogcina unkosikazi wami nezingane zami engangenile la but le yado decides for itself. First of all iyamfuna umuntu othandwa inhliziyo yakho because nayo isibe strategy sakaNkulunkulu ukuthi ngifuna umnikelo onjani okhuluphele. So the sad part ukuthi I think no sukenza lonto sengasho ngizoba unkosikazi mase ifika lento ngifuna lo and mase usign contract you live by the rules. So ama attacks maningi kakhulu maningi kakhulu ama attacks ngoba usuka abantu abangazwani bazwane kodwa mangabe uhamba noNkulunkulu you understand ukuthi abazwani vele ababhali nabafarisi abadayisa uJesu abazwanela ukuthi kufe lento ethikameza umbuso obumnyama. And they do all they can kuma social media platforms. I mean, impilo yami nje mina I'm immune to inhlamba. Noma ungangithukuthi nje namhlanje. Anginenda abanentamba noma ngithiwa kubhalweni manje bathi kha ubonile and nasekhaya sebefundile. Uma ibona something nje mangitshela umuntu ongaphandle ukhathazekile ukuthi how am I doing? Because njengoba ngithi uNkulunkulu ukuvusela abantu I've learned ukuthi akakwazi ukujesu ukuhlupheka before avuswe. Ebese ngicabanga ukuthi mina ngizodla fork and knife ekukholweni. So I've learned with chosen people impilo yabo vele iba rough and I've learned ukuthi amadimoni awanazi impondo awangcolile imoya ekubantu ohlala nabo futhi engikufundile they work with intelligent people so that into bayipresent umuntu ohlakaniphile umuntu uzobona umuntu ongaphiwanga umoya ingcwele uzobona ukuthi ayimpelo ST ama podcast awenzayo waya somewhere kwenza kanje because njoba sikhona sonke not ukuthi sonke siphiwe amandla ukuthi silalele umoya ingcwele abanye abantu bawuza umoya ingcwele bawuziba because sihalela ukwazi izinto zethu and what I've learned ngabantu abapossessed noma nemoya they love drama and attention. So the minute you give them attention it means ukuthi you are contributing ukuliphalisa lento. So I've learned ukuthi you starve your distraction and feed your focus. If you stay on the word and if you preach, being so many your preacher one example kuye kwakhona umngani wami actually a friend obefuna ukusinda ngoNkulunkulu I guess ubeyibona imihla yakhe imncane. She was not even a friend, umuntu ongasekhaya, so kwakufanele ngimngcwabeni kwakhe, and ngaleso sikhathi uNkulunkulu wangifihlela something. There was already a post there ngithuka on Facebook accusing me of uthakatha.
Okay.
Ngathi ngihambe emathuneni ngigqibe ini, and I understand that because abantu bokumnyama they do izinto ezinzima and they pay. So it does not make sense ukuthi ngempela ubhuti abantu esiye ngathi ngegama lika Jesu kuwe yonke lento engihlanganise ngo10,000 le ngihambele ngikhokhela u5,000 kumchulu thizeni mina noma ingangithinti mina mangilela ifike kunenkazimulo kaNkulunkulu ihlehle ibuyele emuva. So into engihlekisa that time bayebonile abantu ngangazi kangu MC emshadweni nalosisi and ngangilokhu ngikukhulekela and uNkulunkulu wasebenza ukuthi imessage yakhe idlule. And land ngesikhathi mina ngishumayela la ngibhizi ngikhuluma labantu bonke abantu etendeni bayayazi lento yokuthi wena kahle kahle uyadinja. But uNkulunkulu wayifihla lento kumina ukuze imessage that was supposed to be conveyed that day ipheleliswe. So uthi umuntu ethuka mina ngibe ngibuka uGod in awe ukuthi God you are really amazing. You know izinto efanele siyibone, uyazazi into engafanele siyibone. So ukuningi esithile lento isife ngisho emndenini I've learned bengilonga ngikufunda makuthiwa isizwe somfazi kuphuma iGibhithe noIsrael. Now we know ukuthi ukuthola ukuthi kodwa ngamenzani esithi kodwa nkosamo, and then you understand ukuthi if you represent the kingdom of the light, it means ukuthi uyayichiphiza ikingdom of umnyama. And unfortunately mazalwa ekhaya angithi usekuhlangene izibongo eziningi lento ekuthiwa ufuzo kukhona bayangakama khona bayangakababa. So it's unfortunate ukuthi isikhathi esiphila kusona sesiphila ku generation la kwehla khona ama cases iqalekiso ama generations and generations. And if you do not soak yourself in the word, if you do not soak yourself emthandazweni, if you don't soak yourself ku worship, and okungiphatha kabi lento ukuthola ukuthi unasiphe wena but ST sokwenza yonke into, but ama talent sibe nawo ekholweni aphinde aba into esivulela intuba yokuthi sitshontshe kumnyama. Ngoba mawubuka emasontweni ethu sinawo abantu abantshontsha kakhulu ama worshiper. Abantu abama worshiper the intercessors bathathwe kakhulu because ngiye ngangokuma ukuthi mina intokozo sengiyazi ngangayithandazela lento ngime etalenteni ngangakwazi ukuhlukanisa noma sengidumisela omunye umbuso kodwa kuyenzeka sibe nabantu abamla ku altar baphethe ama microphone kodwa bebedumisa akunyakaza into zaphezulu kunyaza into zaphansi kodwa abantu abahleli phansi abakwazi ukubona lokho. So it's a journey, it's a journey that needs God every second, every minute, every hour, every day. So yikho noma ngabe uthukiwe noma ngabe wenzeni awuyeke ukusebenza. Because ofika ukuthola uyazi ukuhambe wena uyitshela ukuthi you are broken, you cannot stand, uvela kufika abantu abawu5 basikwazi wasisiza sikaze sikuzwe lokho esontweni sikaze sizwe lento. So it means asikakakholwa, and then you think ukuthi kube kuthi ufide your distraction ngabe ukuphike manje, because that's the intention khona leli ivese bengilokhu ukukhuluma ngalazi ukukhuluma ngoTopia noSanballat uthi uNehemia wabona ukuthi sekukhona igap wakhe eJerusalem waqhubeka akha. So ngesikhathi eseqede sekubonakala ukuthi lento ayenzayo ikhona, yaqala lemoya yathuka yathi akehle. So that's the strategy. So ukuthi mawusuhamba ngempela noNkulunkulu kuzofika ama attacks aqhamuka kubantu, kodwa i-intention yokuthi yeka lento yenzayo unake thina, and the minute unaka laba bantu how many souls owakhulekelayo abantu bakini obuye wathi abavuswe from amanzi amnyama, from ibopho zomndeni. And now usuyabonakala lo muzi owusuvele ngeroof seziyabonakala izingane babonakala abazukulu, and then uyabuza umbuzo ukuthi ubama nje lofikile, let's find strategies. And funny enough ama strategies akusuwona abhlungu ngakuyona inhlamba, akhona namahla akhona nayimali. I've had many job offers la bengesikhona ukuthi umsebenzi ukuthi umukela le mali le, and then siyaqeda umuzukulu wakho, siyaqeda ngengane zakho, siyaqeda ngefamily yakho, awusiyabaleka nabantu abangaka. Okay, siyahluleka thina simthukayo, ake silethe laba friendly. Uma usondela ayi le mali inemgomo nemibandela, le mali uyinikwa abantu abangambiza uNkulunkulu. Maybe bethana zabathi we pray to the sun, we pray to the moon, to the universe. Thank you earth for giving us food. ubani odala umhlaba. So and into yabo is too good to be true. Uhleli nangu eWallet kahla. Awuhamba wenza ukuthi and uyambona usathana usibambe ngemali ngoba ama struggles umuntu okholwa usually around imali.
True.
Ukuthi ngiza kanjani ku ST eThekwini. Uma ngabe ungitshela usuze ngebhasi la. Abantu abaglo yambuso abahamba ngebhasi abayazi ibhasi emalini. Futhi abahambi ngobani fly safe bahamba
top class.
Yes, and it can be business class. So bas class ngalokho inkulu nje inhlamba na kuthini ukuthi ushumayelane elambile ushumayelane engasebenzi but uNkulunkulu always make a way. Ufikile nje nawe ngila angisebenza for the past 8 years for 8 months akho income but uNkulunkulu methi I will make enough provision for the day. Ngizokunika lokho kufanele usuku. Manje mina ngifuna ukuthi hayi for the next 10 years ngizokwenzani why? Once ngazi ngenzani for the next 10 konke ngizoyikhonzela uNkulunkulu. And I've realized ukuthi sikhule emhlabeni yabantu abajoyine lezi zinto badayisa ngamagugu abo kodwa banakho ukuthula. So they'll make sure ukuthi baphazamisa ukuthula kwakho. They're going to make sure ukuthi they do all it takes ukuze ukuthula kwakho kuphele because understand esithi udine kwenza unomuzo omuhle unemoto enhle udla kahle but ukhathaza ngokuthi esithi udleni wayo esithi angasebenzi uthuka umuntu ngendlala yakhe wena usuthi
awuswele lutho.
So it gives you a clue yokuthi lezi zinto esizikhalelayo ayihlali kahle kubona abayitholile uNkulunkulu zinemgomo yobumnyama. So they'll do anything.
Siswama, make us understand, you know, ngiyazi ukuthi these spiritual things since when you have encountered a lot of it. So since uwe wabakuleso simo esikanjalo maybe ke mhlambe ezweni lika moya and stuff like that njoba washare this testimony ngifuna ukuthola nje imanje lakho ukuthi unjani manje.
Nginjani manje?
Yeah, manje nje. Yes.
I'm stronger in Christ. I am stronger in Christ and I know manje esithi ukuthi ayikho into engangishukumisa ngangenza ngicompromise uNkulunkulu. Because looking back kunala engingazi khona ukuthi ngishule kanjani. Why yabo indaba kaNkulunkulu imnandi because kube khona inhlupheko ezweni ukuthi uhlushwa umyeni, uhlushwa ingane uzuzaqa.
True.
But uNkulunkulu mawuhlushwa abantu awuzaqa. Mawulambile uNkulunkulu awuzaqa. uNkulunkulu uyakukhazimulisa kuze bekhona abashayisa udlala ngathi
madoda
lo udlala ngathi. So ziyafika ikhathi angithi umuntu yokuthi ubuze ukuthi kodwa God why me, then uphinde ukuthi then who, because ubuka into enzakini ebese ngabe zenzekile manje because masihleli esikhona imizi esiyibukayo angithi uNkulunkulu siyakuvezela ezinye izinto ubona le nkinga ebila ekhaya ilapha shuthi kube kuthiwa sibehave njengalabo abantu ngabe nasekhaya kuvalwe njengalapha. Ngoba ubuka abantu abakuthukayo emizini yakubo bahlala ngokuhlukana. Yes, noma sisahlukana because of Egypt and Israel but isikhona leya unity. Ukuthi umntaka ma ufike ekhaya nje uhlale kube mnandi ngenifane nonke. Kodwa even abantwana and some of the sisters they see uNkulunkulu now they know how to nurture abantwana babo especially the spiritual growth abantwana uphawu because angicabanga ukuthi ngesikhathi ngiphula mhlawumbe uma wayazi angicabanga ukuthi ngangibona mina but esithi ukuthi ikhona into engakhule kwengane na 9 years but manje sengiyezwa ngisho icula ngisho ihlabelela ngisho share mina bengeke ngiyinqoba ukuthi bengekho umntwana la ekhaya. So like emotionally we up and down because umuntu you need to provide for your kids, but all I'm also seeing what I am seeing my kids growing closer to God through my encounter. So kuna lento ukuthi what I'm going through manje umntana mangeke yabo masuhambela ukuthi ingane zami nezingane kama wami evuma ukukhetha uNkulunkulu lama sufferings yabo makuthiwa breaker generational cases kumlandi abanye abantu sama case breaker. If you're a case breaker be ready to be hated, be ready ukugxekwa ubukhuluma iqiniso kodwa that does not make you to compromise God. Be ready ukujikela nabantu obakhulekela every day. Every day. It does not say mina ukuthi uzothi masuyokhuleka ukuthi hayi lo khulume ngami and lokho ngikufunde kabuhlungu and nginabantu abangimentorishayo ukuthi no izibe le isizophazamisa le.
Yeah.
And the day ngafunda ngayo ukuthi khona into engayiphendula, khona ama voice notes engaphendula, khona into engayisho ukuthi ubani uthe
Just keep quiet.
futhi mawuyazi ukuthi especially mawuyazi ukuthi yamanga ukuthi how can somebody create such, what's the aim? Angithi usuke efuna lokho kusathana ukuthi uzama ukunitha lento enkulu nethu but ukudabuke mawuhlangana nomuntu umbuka because abantu abakuthuka mawuhlangana abakhulumi nawe. Umuntu engakuthuka lapha ya akuthuka abhale and abantu abangithukayo mina kusibona abantu abahlala eCape Town in the same village. Abantu engigibela nayitekisi mhlangana nabo but eTaxi ngeke umuze esho lutho.
People who knows you better than anyone.
Me better than anyone. Angithi umfundisi wangitshela ngelanga ukuthi kubhlungu ukubizwa ngakini. Mawubizwa ukuphendula abantu bangakini njengoHezekiah athi uNkulunkulu hamba zeHezekiah ushumela Israel. They know the language. Bayalazi nezwi lami kodwa izinhliziyo zabo zilukhuni. But when your task is to preach, uhambe. Mawushumayelile uyobususila ukufa phezulu kwakho nentukuthelo kaNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Mabe ngakuzwanga indaba yabo. So when you preach, so that's what I understood.
Ish.
Ukuthi into engibizwele yona manje to share the good news. Ulula nje kumuntu okholwayo. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyamphendula, uST uyamphendula, uBhuti uyamphendula ubani. And athi angizange ngizoletha ukuthula. Kuyoba khona ukuhlukana phakathi kamama nendodana, phakathi kaBhuti nosisi. Ngangihlala ngithi uNkulunkulu mhlawumbe unenhliziyo enzima mangabe ethi osathanda umame noyise nendlu yakhe akakangibukeli mina. But now I see because ungangena esihogweni ulibe lokunaka into yasekhaya. Bawuthi mawuthi uNkulunkulu ifufula bephendula bawuphenduka ngesikhathi sabo but lead the way mina sengifuna wena mina ngedwa.
Yes.
I want the whole of you. Then uNkulunkulu uyakwenza lokho.
Please do make us understand, even for my people. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu lento ye noma ngizothi cult or these spiritual powers lama mnyama and stuff. Abanye abantu into nje abayithatha nje kancane ukuthi hayi nje into engekho. Mhlawumbe ungathini kumuntu ongamele umenze ayazi ukuthi this thing is really and there is real God as well.
Then ndiyadabukisa ST because ngikhuluma ngami mina nje ngeke ngisho ngithi hey akekho umuntu ongaphuma emzimbeni andize ebusuku ayike indaba esathela akekho umuntu ongachithi I think there was ingozi yayinkulu la ePine Town kudala so abantu bethi no kukhona umuntu oginqile khona umuntu okwazi ukundiza kini it does not make sense and uNkulunkulu wathi I'm going to make you taste it, I'm going to make you live through it and ave kubuhlungu to pray against. Angithi la manje isidlalo lokibhethe angikwazi compromise uNkulunkulu mina ngoba untandokazi wami ukhethe bani usathanda. Uyacabanga ukuthalaza against your child uthi uNkulunkulu uzogcina intando yakho la even if efa unana but efela kuwe ongcono kunokuthi aqhubeke nalento sukukhulekela lokho ngoba uyazi abanye bafika kule stage sokuthi uma sekuphatha ukufa nokuphila uma beyiyeka abanye abayiyeke ngoba bathi vele ngizofa kodwa kungcono ukufa usunjani usumukela uJesu kunokufa uqhubeke usafarisha. So to answer your question ngani mangi best answer okubhlungu kakhulu ke ukuthi iCult isihluke kakhulu nami khona ngingakwazi ihluke kakhulu and ihluka kakhulu nje iza ngezinto ezinhle esiyibona zizinhle. Lokhu kokuthwala kusha but ST masikhumbula kahle abantu bethwala babe nemfuyo babe namasimu khumbula yamuzi kodwa leyo mizi yayinjalo manje mawubuyela kuyona sekuyakhonja ukuthi ubaba la ekhaya wayinamasi wayinani
wathi mina ngihamba nakho konke
imoto zilala inkukhu and you look at abantwana bakhe manje bayaphuza bayaboshwa bayasebenza kodwa impilo abanye bavele bayihlalela nje abanye bashona. So into engingayisho manje but ST ukuthi ayike into edlula ukuthandaza because khona umuntu ozilento mina yeCult angiyikhola experience engibe nawo manje athi umuntu lento yeCult angiyikhola afika ngitshela ngebehavior yengane ingane ihlaza ngithi ayihlaza lengane akusesiyona ingane le angithi if you communicate ezinye izinto ubuka ne level yomuntu awukwazi ukuvela ukuthi ingane yomuntu is possessed you know abazali benze njani they jump ukuthi ubani what but I've had quite a few experiences abantu bekhala khona ngengane bekhala ngeingane and uthola usendo makuqhubeka umuntu angithi akezwa woza kuthandazwa hayi khona la engisazama khona yabo khona la engisazama khona kanti lento yokuzama yimbi ngokuthi kwesinye isikhathi usuku usuvula iwindi lokuthi imoya yande kuyala kube buhlungu masikhuluma ngomngoma if you look ukuthi ingane ithwasa manje thola umuntu muhle unabantu abadala uthi mawuthi uyalandela lo muntu akasaphila isikhathi eside car accident uwile waphathwa ikhanda kwaphela ngaye because lezi zinto seyikwazi ukumenza njani uhafu wakho ungene waba ngale
yes
so useya so it's a deep spiritual thing and mawusunjalo kube ngathi ushaya into zabantu abantu bathikholwa phela ungayishaya into zethu nami ngeke ngacasuka futhi ST kufika phela uzoshaya into zakamadlala phela into zamadlala zengifake phi into zakamadlala they made me vulnerable because noma ngabe umuntu wenzeni mina but today I've learned ukuthi ama altars engaintroduce wabona ezumntwana rituals ayenziwa ngisho ngathi mina every year bekufika inyanga izosiqinisa every year eyakithi lo nyanga and uJesu uqiniswa every year and yakhokhelwa lenyanga kodwa ngeke ngithi uNkulunkulu usho wangithanda because the other year izoqiniswa yathi mina ngine satanism kuba ngibeke izithombe zabaculi eduze kwangeke izingithinte so I guess nayo yayibona into engangakayiboni kimi namhlanje sinabantwana abahamba njalo Friday noma nini uyasebenza lo mntwana la ekhaya uyakondla isthi kodwa siyazi ukuthi Friday to Sunday usotshwaleni uyaphuza we've normalized utshwala and kunalento ehamba through amanzi utshwala bamanzi angithi ukuda the Marine Kingdom especially KZN isixakile siyabona ama floods kunamadimoni ahamba ngamanzi asebona ukuthi engathi khanjwa kancane mawulokhu recruiter bavele eza zosifo
yes
so mawukhuluma nomzali nginganiyenza lokho umzali akutshela ukuthi kodwa uyondla nje ekhaya baningi asebebuyile kimi bazongitshela ukuthi kodwa lengane lobukhuluma ngayo khona omunye wayesho ukuthi lengane lobukhuluma ngayo isikhulumile athi khalela igazi lenye ingane abone ingane bese khalela igazi so kaqala ukineshate lo muntu kudala ikhona imisebenzi akade yenza kudala useku graduation phase kuningi but ST kuningi ingcebo legijimayo sibona abantu bekhala namhlanje kuthi umuntu ubulaye ko Uber abanye abantu abaningi lezo bayithole from which kingdom uthose no Uber bawu 7 from which kingdom of the dark like thina asikhulumi iwords mama uNkulunkulu ukhuluma ukuthi obekezele inhluphekweni mina Jehova ngiyomnikeza ukuphila kodwa every day mina nawe sizoguqa uNkulunkulu sicela imali uNkulunkulu sicela umuzo omkhulu basifuna ukufunwa inhliziyo yethu but masibuka about all the prophets and the apostles abaningi uJohn uhlala ehlane kwazo kwaba uyafa kukhona abayibamba behlala emzini yabantu so sishawa ukuthi siyamfuna uNkulunkulu kodwa futhi nezo siyalifuna and ngokwenza lokho sivulela imoya ukuthi ingene emzini yethu sineyingane sithi mangabe zenze something sithi umthetho wakhe lona akakhuluma ekseni kufike mina kangazi lo mntwana ngiyambingela sawubona sisi akakhuluma ayongamnaka umthetho wakhe we normalize imoya ukuthi iphile kubantwana
so let's understand lokhu better wakhe
exactly sineyingane sinamafoni namhlanje into yenze kuma fonini manje kuthiwa nje you wanna work from home and with 3,000 rand per hour give us your ID zingene ingane kwenzakalani lapho singelingane sekuthiwa woza uzongena once udayisa ngomzimba dayisa ngomzimba o kufanele sihlanganise ingane zamantombazana zokwazi ukuyiletha for ukuthi zithunjwe abduction every day sifelwa abantu sina kumanje kune trend ethi I did not kill him mina ngenza ukuthi and leyo nto kube kuthiwa besingayiyeka sabantu besifazane bengangcono because vele sifaka upetrol esilondeni because lonke into eyenzile ukuthi abasilisa babula abantu besifazane istrategy sakasathane kuthi bezizwe ezimbili sizondane because umndeni wakhiwa ngendoda nomfazi so if abafazi namadoda bengazwani umndeni uzokwakhiwa uNkulunkulu amephi umndeni
and yabona manje si trend I did not kill him
yes abantu beshare izitori ezingaka so lento yokuthi noma nginganjani noma kwenzekeni but uNkulunkulu umshado is a covenant from God no was attack emshadweni it is because mhlamba siyilalelanga into kaNkulunkulu nathi
I think that thing it goes back to abonje le story lomfo wabulala girlfriend yakhe ne story lestrand nje but ubani Lawrence yes lo wabulala girlfriend yakhe just because he invested kuyona kakhulu so agcine seyibulala literally. So I think it goes back to lento yoma satanist and stuff. Ungathola ukuthi it was not himself.
And why kade aqalesho?
You see?
And kukhona osima ukhuluma namanje ukuthi ukwenze ukuthi athi nami ngizombulala umuntu with conviction. Ube emehlweni nami nje maye kwanjena ngizokubulala. And then you think ukuthi siphila kuphi. And abanye abantu bajwayele like I wouldn't think ukuthi ST will do that, but usothi mase sixoxa umbono ST ukuthi uyisho futhi lento omunye uthola ukuthi useyenzile usebulele. So si generation ezaloku ikhesi kwikhesi enkulu, curse of the blood, ukuthi last year umfundisi ucela sithandaze because umkhathi uphansi and usunikana njengosweet. Ngisho ezikoleni uzoyisa ingane kuthisha uthi isafe kanti uthisha usetholile ukhuzana. Usene instruction yokuthi ngifuna ingane ezingaka. Ngifuna lezi ezihlakaniphile. Sithola ingane ezigwazana kanje ezikoleni. Ngoba bonke bafuna izikhundla, ufuna uprincipal osatshwayo, so I'm going to do anything that I can. Imoya ufika na kwenzakalana.
Yebo.
Ezibhedlela sinabantu abawonesi kodwa basibona onesi banema deals ukuthi sizokunika this body parts. Nodokotela abaqhamuka from yonke lento, every profession kunomuntu o represent umbuso wokukhanya nombuso womnyama. Yikho mazo esibhedlela fanele uthathela lezo ukuthinta.
Gcwele lapha esibhedlela.
Ugcwele yabo.
Nona basekhweza ngezingane, amagazi.
Ugcwele labo mawo blood donor kugcwele. Yabo isikhathi esiphila kusona. Abantu esihlala nabo every day ukuthi ngeke usasho ukuthi hayi phela. Abantu esihlala bethu sibabona zonke izinsuku. Usukubona usikonakele lapha uzoyikhuluma uthini. Ngoba uthi ukhuluma noma athi mama hayi lo wami. And mase kwenzeka iTrouble. Sefana uthanda umthandazo ongenza uJesu a miracle prayer. But zikhona izinkomba zokuthi let's intercede. Kuba lento efuna ukukhulekela privately. Ziyalwa privately. Uyikhulekela privately. But because nathi sabazali siyaleka ezweni. Siyaleka ezweni and ingane zethu ziba ma competition ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ingane yami idlula nazo zithola pressure ingane igcina siyenza izinto. I was looking around ngibuka ingane ezishona manje ama 2000. Amanye kuthi umuntu ushone neJaguar. Like I'm thinking uNkulunkulu ngiphilaphi? Ngiba ngisahamba ngequantum. Ushone nathi maJaguar u3 sekuyaphuza ushone ne double story and no parent question that. Phumeka matric wasebenza washayela uUber 2 years noma a year. Use right. Use right and uvunyiwe. Abanye baze bapost that nje kumanje ngikwazi ukungena ka Gucci mina twice or 3 times a year. And not Gucci lo proper Gucci.
Hayi lo
wasestreet. Apost yonke into iphilayo. And impilo easy. Uyafuna ukuthi khona umntwana ade ngixoxela ukuthi khona umngane befunda naye. Wamtshela impela ngisakubona wathi woza la uzozama impilo but fanele wazi ukuthi ukhetha phakathi kwempilo yegazi nokufa. And a couple of months esho lokho washo lo mfana usayi sengikhathele lempilo mncane 1920 sengikhathele lempilo I'd rather die. Sibona ingaze zidutshulwa day in day out kunama groups kuna lonke uhlobo lama groups ami ukuthi ngijoinele group ujabule wena kunabantu abazokulwela njengomzali kanti awazi ukuthi ngelanga bazofuna igazi lakho. Maflag amazwe amaningi amathi umuntu ngirepresent iflag. Awukwazi ukuthi umKristu ungakhulekela uIsrael wena. Uthi free Palestine? It's so deep. It's so deep. And as sikhuluma ngazo siyasizoshawa shawe masilele. Siyadutshula. And izinto ziyanormalize. Yes, I was telling my sister or something because I speak about my brother owami ngamkhulekisa owakethi testimony yami.
Yeah.
Khona into singazathi singayiboni and kunabantu abahamba nawe but ST beje basahamba nawe kanti uNkulunkulu sekusizile. Because we video eyikhuluma about ukushona kwakhe. There was a sign, the opening cover page. It had a helmet. It had a band and it had boots. Amad. To arrest soldier. And kune video yakhe bidlala nje kakhulu. Edlala emsebenzini. So kudlala indaba zokuciba, yabo ukuciba. bese silo omdlalisayo wena ngathi uyi-social kaFaro. Yayibona leyo nto? Wena ulona i-social kaNkulunkulu, uyi-social kaFaro wena. And these things are said in jokes ku-social media. Thina siyahleka siya-download. So uma ngabe sezoshona sengitshela ukuthi ngimkhumule amabhuzi, ngimkhumule ibhandi, ngimkhumule isiqoko. Siyavela nokuthi labantu basayibekile lento kwi-obituary yakhe because he was one of them. But uthe mesehamba wathi wena ngisusa lezi zinto mina because le ngiyakhona ayifuneki. And ngitshela ukuthi wena uzomkhumula lezi zinto. And angithi ushare istory sakho abantu basiphendule bakubuthi oh kambe wake uthi wakaba nama-fits kodwa kwaje ephilimi she's psychologically disturbed because awukwazi ukukhonza uNkulunkulu abangasho usuyahlanya. And abantu benza izinto day in day out kodwa bafuna ukuyi-challenge ukuthi yi-challenge. Abantu babulala imbuzi emasangweni kubukwa kwenzeka izinto ongazazi uyabona akukuthula kulo muzi but abantu basayi-protectile into zabo. Mina first ngiyalazi igazi lembuzi lisenzeni. If I can put it in a language engesikhona ukukhola ngathi lisirabishile. Igazi lembuzi ngiyalazi lisenzeni mina ekhaya. And njoba siphuma kulo manje as umndeni. Ngisho umndeni mina fana ngabe kune meeting yomndeni ethi ngintshontshe idala. Ngintshontshe isidala sihlala selokhu waqala ukuthandaza wena thina sayithola idalo emisamo. Isihlala lapha isidalo usithatha usiwe phezulu coffee table. And lento sengiyayifunda ke ukuthi uma uthandaza uNkulunkulu sekuphendula be ready to lose your favorite people. Because kunabantu abahlala ngasibahlela uNkulunkulu. And bahleli emasontweni anemgomo and mawusubo kade baqala bekushumayeza uNkulunkulu wabo wena uzwe. Kahle kahle uphazamisa izinto zabo. So kune chaos oyibuka ubone abantu ongacabangi bake bahlangane. Kodwa bahlangane ngawo umuntu okwaziwayo ukuthi akazalalele kodwa bese khuluma into against wena. Kuhlangane. So I'm still waiting again to answer.
I want to ask you this question. Ngiyazi ukuthi kuleya nje sika sathinda ile on ukuthi umkhwenyana wakho wayefuna
ubani?
La lokho ngilungile.
Thunyoba.
Ngicela ukulungisa le mic le yakho ngoba ngifuna ukuthi abantu bayizwe kahle le question.
All right.
Yeah. Kodwa ngiyaxolisa lokho ngikushadisa naye phela.
Mhlawumbe ngiyaprofetha nje.
Baningi abaprofethi khona nabamanga.
Okay, owayengumkhana wakho njengoba ufuna ukuthwala ngawo. How possible is this thing ukuthi umuntu athwale ngawo wena ungazi?
Phela isinqumo somuntu esomuntu. Lezi zinto asikhuluma ngayo Illuminati. Possible because now usuke yothwala noma ejoyina ikhali suke ngazi ukuthi kusuke kuzoba umntwana wakhe. Mhlawumbe ukubona ukuthi this day sike sithi masiba ku social media kushone ngane no 4-5 years. Ngani incane kuthwila le ngavuka. Ukhala ukuthi ukhala yena kakhulu lo muntu bese ukuthi hayibo makuthiwa contour kanti kwakusho lokho. And abanye abantu babeya lapha yana baya with greed. The more you pay, the heavier the sacrifice. So possible ngolwazi oluncane. Ngoba ngifuna ukuthi mawuya lapha ya mawuya ebhenki yoboleka imali ufike ubone noma sisathatha ngama account kudala ufike uthathe usofa uthi uma ubona hayibo ngilongikhokha lento ayisapheli ukhombise the fine print ephansi ukuthi kune interest kune what do you call it insurance kanjani ne delivery yonke ongazazi ukuthi sekuqedile lo 15,000 usuphenduka u100,000 and usothi una areas ulokhu ukhokha ilosofa basekho but ngixakekile ST and igaba belisebenzisayo unfortunately so ubhlungu mabe sesikhona ngo-ST wayakothwala but umuntu umekuthatha kasho ukuthi uyothwala uthi uyozama into yenhlanhla uzama into yenhlanhla ngoba ST impilo yakhe ifadabela ngithi hamba ngithi nakho umsebenzi awuqhamuki khambe ngothola into yenhlanhla and bekuthola nini into yenhlanhla labantu bakunika into encane kabi uthamba uyibeke lento uyikhulumisa yikho omunye umuntu ayithi makuthi sifuna ukukhola ke sikhola ngabantu abasebenzisa imithi ngendlela bayikhola ngento abayikhulumisa ke simkhulumisa uNkulunkulu njengoba bayenza into engekho iphile so into ikuhlupha kwalento abanye bake babone bekhuluma nako akunye ngikuzwa kubantu abasuke bekhuluma because I was once so curious ububi balento ke the more you go in it the more complicated it becomes.
Yeah.
Ngoba abanye bebekhuluma ukuthi nje uthwale ngenkukhu. Watshela ukuthi hayi la ngizolesa ama-braai pack nje kuphela. Sekusuka kwafuna inkukhu ephilayo. Sekusuka kwathiwa sekufuneka imbuzi. Sekusuka kwakufuneka inkomo. Kwathiwa sicela umuntu. Khona wayexoxa ukuthi bekufuneka umuntu. Amlanda umuntu. Ngaqunga isibindi ngambulala lo muntu. Sekusuka sesicela igazi lakho.
Sure.
So kungazi. Amanye ama-terms and conditions are hidden from you. And uma usungenile kuthiwa labantu ba-unfriendly bathi wena wathi ufuna inhlanhla. Omunye ekhuluma ukuthi mina ngabuya nenoni encane nje ngayibeka ekamereni. Sema ngiqambe ngithola imali ngithola imoto sengibuyela. Sekuyinyoka. Kwathi uyena mngani wakho ke lo. Uma ungayifuna imali uyisa into yethu kodwa futhi uma ubuyisa into yethu there's got to be consequences empilweni yakho.
Ngenile.
Thathile.
Umfowenu ngiyakhumbula ukuthi shirana nangomfowenu lo wajoyina Illuminati and angizwasho ukuthi so akasekho ne.
Angizwa?
Ngizwa wamention ukuthi futhi naye akasekho.
No, washona.
Yes. Yena wayejoyina kanjani yena?
I wouldn't know, but now looking ey'ntweni noku-understanda nokuba nabantu abafunda about the Marine Kingdom, uwasebenza eSharks Board. So ngokubuka kwami, I think he was introduced kulo zinto esebenza ku-Natal Sharks Board ngoba wayesebenza kahle, good benefits, but wayenjalo mesebenzile angabuyela emsebenzini uyoyiphuza yonke leyo mali. Yonke iziphele and kwakugcwala bonke, then go back to work. So I guess umsebenzi magcinisebeni ama-warnings ngokulova njalo ke. But when she said okay fine ngoba ngiyangixosha ngilovile, angikwazi mangama telegram ayifika emncenga. Ngaleso sikhathi sasibuka umuntu thina onjani osanganayo. Ukuthi why would he run away from umsebenzi omuhle kanje? Hayi uloyiwe. But I guess that when he was introduced kulento wancamela ukuvela baleke yena. And one thing esuke singayazi kufana nabantu akade behlangene nabantu abathwele. Awukwazi ukubaleka ngenyawo zakho ST ungadisconnectanga. Ngoba ubaleka usuhamba nodobo wonke umuntu ohlangana uyalibona uphawu ukuthi wakwaxhophoza la. So ke theme ekhula kwahlangana babona ukuthi ayibona impahla. And naye ungena nje ku right uyabuyela phela ngathi uthando inaye okay ngena la uzothola good life,
the good benefits.
When you get those forms ngiyayibuka phela bhala nje ubhala lento bhala nje salary yakho. Seba sengiyibuka namaso sikhathi ayibo uya guarantee ukuthi you gonna be guaranteed umsebenzi omuhle, uzohamba ama hotels amakhulu around the world ngonyaka kuya ngokukhula kwezigaba ke. You're gonna be guaranteed umsebenzi kuma international airports ongapheli kuningi, and you submit your full names. You must be the person okwazi ukugcina imfihlo. Ilokho kuphela ke mawusungenile kangikwazi mawusungenile those are the mawusungenile it gets harder ke, then you submit amagama abantu bakini. Also lapho you submit amagama. One thing ngizongena this example kade futhi ngikade ngifana ngibuza manje le nto kumfundisi ngoba mina nguluthanda ulwandle. But there was this saga la ayisengene khona singakazi kukhulekwe ekhaya kukhuleka every day, and then umfundisi instructed us to go pray by the sea. And ngaleso sikhathi wayengafuni ukuya yena akashintshile, and umfundisi is patient. As patient, I guess in wisdom from God unayo. And ukukhuleka kwethu we're standing in a circle. Yabo ufike athi umfundisi no wena umdala la. You are the only man. Uzonginika abantu ngibakhulekise ngibabuyisele kuwena ngaphandle. So it's something like a circle. So now I'm understanding ukuthi lento yayenziwe lapha isifungo sasenziwe underwater where our names were. So through prayer sasisiyolandwa lapha. Because after that ngangazi wayengithuka ngawo ukuthi wena nomfundisi wakho nenza ukuthi, because when you go back there you are told ukuthi umuntu who cracked lento ubani owenze lento. And kade sixoxa sonke lonto ekhaya ukuthi kunezinto ojungazazi, because not every person okholwa uJesu noma umfundisi uphiwe ubuhlakani bokudila with. abanye they are gobbled by the kingdom of the dark because uzofika umuntu lapho uthi esithinga impela nikhulekile ukuthi ngithole imaterial esonto asizonginika ama-drums umukele yikho fanele you have to discern khona ukube kuthiwa ST kuya ngama-offers esinawo ngaba sikweleta umuntu ma-offers akhona ngaba sikweleta umuntu.
And your pride's been in a Illuminati for how long?
I don't know.
Oh, because you have no idea who's buying in.
I don't know. I only realize the behavior yakhe mesezothi noma washone lokho ethi khona lo Jesu mina ngiphila noNkulunkulu osibambana abajito okhuluma lawo lokho uphi lo nkulunkulu wakhe yabo sasho lokho esastubborn sekule. But on the final day, 2 days before shona washo ukuthi ngimbonile uNkulunkulu wakho sisi ungamnyeki and ngiyamdinga manje because I'm not going there.
Sure.
I am not going there. I am signing off. I am signing off. Sure. And uNkulunkulu into engimthanda ngayo if ekunika into ekhaya engabazekayo uyayifakaza ngomunye umntwana. Kukhona umntwana kasisi wami I think kwakunanto kufanele aba recruit and stuff. Angazi na ifika abaphusise yona. Owakwenzeka washaya onke amawindi. Onke amalumani windows endlu yasekhaya. Sake sahlala thina for 3 months indlu fakwa amabhodi. Sihlekwa nje. So lento okuhlekwa isiqali manje umoya kenze njalo. Mayivuka ekseni lo muntu akazi lutho. Phuze lento nje ngicina umalume ngiphuzisa lokho mhlophe. Washaya amawindi but usiyekile then she went to the hospital washona kumalume. Then one day he came to me after umngcwabo. Wangitshela ma bangibiza ngogogo. Ake simuntu omdala ekhaya egogo. Ngicela ngikhulume nawe because ngathi wena uzongizwa. Athi yazi ukuthi mina ngimngcwaba ngumalume. Ngithi mina how why? Because I was angry. Why are you angry? Ukuthi how can he take a decision yokusinikela kuyena esimthembile as umuntu wesilisa like akusebeshone bonke phela. Kusho lokho shona ngaka bengenxa yakhe. Bese mina but ayisaquestion le nto because uNkulunkulu sifundisa ukuxolela ukuthi kunabantu esingesibaxolele but la sasingena option. And ngendlela kwenza ngawo esithile umuntu uyabona ukuthi uyahamba manje. Uzoqala ngimbuzo okwenzelana ukuthi yena manje ayicela ucelize ucela iBhayibheli ucela ngimkhumule uyahamba. Fast. Ngifuna uNkulunkulu wakho unqaba kanjani noNkulunkulu wena bekanzela umusa. So usethi lo mntwana mina ngilokhuzile ngimbonile umalume 3 days after umngcwabo and fortunately because I had severe attacks I passed out ngosuku lomngcwabo like I passed out I had a battle eyayixakile futhi I've learned ukuthi amadimoni ayabuya azobuza ukuthi how dare you so I guess wangakwazi ukukhuluma nami ngaleso sikhathi but usiyabuya nje after a while ukuthi and ngaleso sikhathi wasengifundisile umfundisi ukuthi njengoba kuthiwa umuntu ngokukholwa masifunda iBhayibheli umuntu uphele emhlabathini after 3 days nabo bayayazi leyo nto ukuthi mengcwatshwa they start their rituals ukuthi bamvuse if behlulekile beyistart so zaziningi into zayifuneka kumina sicela ingoba eyigqokile sicela usiphe sicela usinike isithombe ehleli phezulu into zomndeni vele ngacelwa umuntu so mangithi mina noko ucela kusibani no sikudinga kuwena kanti kusho ukuthi umfundisi the revelation wasima kwavuma lo it means ukuthi ibhetho inqobile usuyayidedela because kuyazi ukuthi umuntu osile the soul with the blood of Christ bekuwena you see how tricky is this you wouldn't ngekunaka ngicela isithombe ukuthi me kanti awazi ukuthi usuya going back to the mud awuhamba ngakwenzanga they even come to umuntu azenza ngathi uyahlanya zobhuquza ethuneni uyakuthuka lapha but ubhuquza ethuneni into ongayinafu songozuyitshela abantu ibattle nje ichaos yomkhathi so siyaxoxa kusethini so ngangifundisiwe ukuthi after 3 days just to put this straight ngangifundisiwe after 3 days bayavuswa because they have basuke besebenza babavuse because they have unikele enkosini yabo before uNkulunkulu take what is his so sayasho ke lokuthi hayibo mina ngimbonile umamkhulu umalume isileke kube sendlini yakho endala eguqisiwe ilo lonke uhlobo lamadimoni imagine umntwana omncane lo futhi umuntu ongeke ngisho strong nasekukholweni so uthi ubeguqisiwe because ubekhona ukuthi uthanda irap uthi malume bemkhuza athi ungayilaleli lo mculo abanye abantu bakhona bakulimi kodwa abazi bakhona athi yonke le nhlambi ekhulunywayo nalezi zinto ey'dotshwe emzimbeni uthi mangiwulalele ngenkani uthi bekufike ngathi kuqashuka ama-headsets. Now I sound like Brother Enigma.
Ngaqali.
But I hear him a lot.
Yeah.
So uthi beqala kuqashwa ama-headsets uthi kodwa uma ngeke ngavuka ngathi ngegama likaJesu uthi lento ibingethi kumina. So uthi this day umalume wambona ekhunyuliwe izingubo after engcwatshiwe. That's when he found it inside himself uthi ngamxolela. Uthi wayiguqisiwe kwinto eyitri khona the pyramid. The pyramid, the sign yobumnyama. Uthi uguqisiwe and wayeshawa.
Sure.
Wayeshawa bembiza ngegama bethu siphukuphuku. Uhlelo kusinika umphefumulo owodwa bebangaka abantu kini. Uthi wayeshawa. So uthi ngaqhamuka ngabuza ukuthi why mina ngingakwazi ukuthola ngoba mina beseningi. Kwathi umuntu obhabhatisiwe egameni likaJesu mabhabhatiso ngumfundisi legitimate they can't. uPaulo umbhabhatiso bahlule ukuqheka. So usinde ngoba ubhabhatisiwe. Uthi washawa uthi kodwa into ekenza ngimxolele lokho ethi babethi kwakubuhlungu kwathi meshawa wathi nje I can't. Kwathiwa you choose Christ uyamazi wathi yes I choose Christ. Ngimbonile ngimanga ngimbonile kumuntu ebengimelene naye ekhaya ngomthandazo.
Sure.
Uthi wayeseyangitshela ke wathi wamkhombisa imoto uthi lezi imoto ezikanjena enjena eziningezo Uber. Kwaqhamuka abangani bakhe bethe mfethu sifuna ukuhamba le ndlela oyihambile uthi wayethi nje le ndlela eniyifuna ehanjwe. I am telling you to go back and accept Christ. Yekani utshwala, yekani ukuthi, yekani this brand clothes. So ngambuka. Wasikade ngixoxa nobody can understand it but ngibothi mangiza kuwena. Wasiyasho that's when I found. So ngabuka ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyalasimekinika into angaze njani engenzi sense kubantu omsangano then mase lethi confirmation. Because unawo ama episodes okubona lezi zinto abuya azobuza. So and then we understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayemuhle noma ngenzakalani ayikho into manje mina futhi esithe ngangihetha ngomuzwa kaMadlala ukuthi ngaba nepain because ngazi la isilandwe khona ukuthi kahle kahle bese siyizimvu ezibaliwe zesilaheni njengoba ngikutshela every year bekuba nomngcwabo mina ekhaya imgodi we coded.
Sure.
Bese kwazi ukuzohamba abantu singazi and akuqali kuyena kunabantu abangena kulezi zinto angithi ya-escalator lento uqala kwayisitholo sezimbuzi kwezimvu wenza izinto engazi walokhu ucela ngegazi iyakhula ngesikhathi njengoba ubona seku-Illuminati manje akade kukuthwala sikusaba ukuthwala is nothing compared to ama-battles e-Illuminati.
Illuminati is very strong. Imaphi nje apart from ubrother wakho ukuba against inkolo yakho iziphi imaphi amanye ama-actions wayewenza since ayisejoyina i-Illuminati?
Masithandazo lungezi ekhaya manje khona umthandazo nje awuhlangana nje nomthandazo and wenza sure ukuthi ukhuluma ini and secondly it's the diet. It's the diet. Sasesicabanga ukuthi uyikroza yabona into yokroza lenyama ayidla inyama ngale ndlela ukuthi ngiyakhumbula ngithi bekuhlatshwa angithi abantu bayebathetha mawuthi makuhlatshwa kuza amadimoni makuhlatshiwe wayeba aggressive ngale ndlela ukuthi inkomo wayiqeda noma ungayifaka kwi-deep freeze ubekela umndeni aliqhekeze ifridge idliwe njalo and babe hope yokudoba dobe ubulali ufish lapha ehlathini wasekhona
Hayibo
inkukhu nje zibulawa zosiwe khona yabo ngifuna in yabo kwakunama habits ongawazi but usuku ungazi nokuthi akunya ngitshela khona manje bangihambe ebusuku nje ngingasabi indawo uyazi ukuthi you are protected usually bahamba ebusuku but wami igwala lokuzalwa he was such a sweet boy but nokuhamba ebusuku ngibone unqamule lesigodi nje ngiyovela ngale mina abantu ngiyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa ngifaka amabhuzu ami endlela futhi ngiyazi njengoba ngiyalapha ngiyo recruit ubani.
Yeah.
So umuntu onogazi it's ama qualities omuntu okholwayo ukuthi untokozo influential embusweni okukhanya so masimletha ngala khona abantu abakholelwa kuwena but esithi uyacabanga abantu baletha la bangaka abantu baletha la so uzokwazi ukudoba abantu ne-listenership yakhe inganani so mawuthatha umuntu oyedwa yikho mangabe uthi ngifuna ukuletha lo muntu ofuna ukuletha side le story sikubuke ngamanye amehlo because it means you are polluting the platform you are compromising so we are at risk yokuthi sabazalwane kume abantu abangakhothami kwi-altar yethu So yeah, that's that. It's tricky, it's deep, and abanye bayibona kudala, abanye bayibona ngale kwethu.
Yeah.
Abanye bayibona, but emphakathini sihlala kuyona sibuka izingane nje si and okubuhlungu kunye ku-introduce emasontweni as much as abaprofethi abawabonayo amasonto ukuthi enze ukuthi siwadefend amasonto ethu because sifuna insebenzelo yakhona, sifuna into yakhona, but kukhona amabandla osima ubuka khona ibandla kalisho umfundi ngicela ukunika leli bandla lidala lifike lathenjwa lasiza abantu ngicela ungibukela abantu isisekelo sabo amakhaya bekulelo bandla ukuthi kunjani kuleyo mizi. And when I looked around, baphuza bonke. And labantu abangalifunda iBhayibheli because ilifunda umuntu othile. Abanye awazi kwenzakala bavele bashona. Ngoba lento ukuthi ibandla lami lokuthi ingozi sibizele ebandleni likaKristu lokuveza uKristu la isivela khona njalo. Hayi ukuveza izinto zami. So yeah, abazali bethu basenkingeni. Basenkingeni banezingane nama-fits. Banezingane ezi-autistic, banezingane ey'ngalalele ey'ngezwa kuthiwa umuntu nje esikoleni akarespondi. Sibuke yonke into imoya engenile emakhaya ebusayo.
Sambonga uNkulunkulu ngawe Thokozo Lanzimazi. We thank God for your life on this last note. Nokusivezela nje ikakhulukazi the importance of believing God even in times of izinto ezifana nalezi. Nokusivezela nje ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi umuntu can be initiated yena engekho aware ukuthi kune back leyenzakalayo behind my back, they want to initiate me ngendlela thizeni. Anti ezinye zezinto abantu engathi nje most of us singazinaki lezo wena nje ubone nje izinto sekwenza izinto ezithile nje kanti you were initiated by someone somewhere nje busho nje so mhlawumbe ufika umuntu nje angicela something mhlawumbe by giving that person already initiated
yabo umuntu ozongcengela isonto lakhe,
you see
umuntu ongcengela isonto lakhe.
Oh, nomuntu okuncengela esontweni lakhe.
Uncenge, abona ngathi awukhonza kuncengela isonto lakhe. Bekiyazi ukuthi uyoba isebenzisi obumnyama lapho.
Fana lento ukuthi umuntu acela imali.
Cela imali omunye abanye bazokuthengela utshwala mahala. Uthe yisiya lapha amafiko ST siphuza ibhodlela la 2000 zibuze nje. Kuthi yini ngenza umuntu athenga amabhodlela ka 2000 awu5. Foni yena ngamenzeli lutho. Siphuze sayisangazazi. Mevuka siqala ukushintsha senibona ngisho sawo sagcina ku ST lo.
Samawa bethu. Ngawashada.
Hawu uzokwazi ukukhona. Awuphethe uhlela. I knew that was coming.
Awu ngeke phela sa broadcast video yakho lapha na strong so ukwazi ukuthi kwabanye abantu abavela lapha bekho baye becela ukushada.
Wey, yasaze ngwenye lapha. Yes. Ifuna ukuphizela emntonyeni kaFish.
Mokosha. Serious?
Oh, no.
Ufuna ukujuqa phansi.
No.
So, kodwa wathi vele ukushada sofuna.
uNkulunkulu osho lokho.
Kuwe.
uNkulunkulu osho ukuthi umuntu ufanele ashade noma kufanele yini. It depends kwi-calling yakho sesikubonile. Angithi ukuthi khona abantu esinabo basifazana usola ukuthi umuntu usezodeposit ka5 because unalento ukuthi uyakufuna ukushada. Kanti uNkulunkulu akafuni kube khona uzothi hayi mina ngifuna ukushada sengihlale phansi simbone seshadile because wayikhuluma inhliziyo yakhe.
But wena uyakufuna.
It's to die for.
Oh yeah, but yes.
But mangishada angithi uNkulunkulu wemndeni ngiyafisa ukuthi ugcobe nginalo kusala imbewu.
uNkulunkulu akuphumile ngempela ongeza ukuthwala ngawe.
Singabe ngakusela uNkulunkulu uthembekile. uNkulunkulu give you a green light sengabe kuba stubborn kwami. uNkulunkulu gives you a green light ukuthi masifuna into zethu siya ignore.
True.
Siya ignore and ukuthi ke njengoba ngisho sibanjwe khona umuntu ozoqhamuka athi nje yazi indlela ngikubone ngayo lapha ku-ST mina I have a car ngingakunika ngawo ushumayele nginanomuzi. Too good to be true. Wayukhathazeka kangaka ngishumayelani into ufuna.
But futhi singa-dispute ukuthi uNkulunkulu futhi sengabathinta abantu impela amthinta umuntu ukuthi ayazi kunemoto efisa ukunikela.
Yes, but uNkulunkulu will also confirm that.
Yes.
uNkulunkulu will confirm that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thokoza. Sibonga kakhulu mfethu. Thank you so much. Kube intokozo nami ukubona. Phela ngagcina vele.
Last year. It was last year.
Sagcina ngelanga sixoxe.
Yes.
Yo, buka nje.
It was, but we are coming back in March.
Wow.
So.
Hey, gosh. Yeah, I would appreciate ne.
Sabonana.
Thank you so much.
Sithandaze mfethu ukuze labantu bathandaze bangaliyekizwi kaNkulunkulu kuthiwa isikhali sethu esinqoba ngaso.
Sikhulise nathi kulezi zinto esizenzayo.
Wena futhi.
A lot of temptations, a lot of attacks, a lot of recently ngeke ngashare la ukuthi ngeke ngalukuzana ngathemptwa isangoma kabi.
Ngiphe distraction.
A lot of money. So nje sibeke emkhulekweni kusiyami. Hayi ngoba imali ngayidinga, hayi ngoba
siyanibeka
imali.
abafethu noma ningacelanga siyanibeka.
Eish.
Ngoba siyazi ukuthi if uNkulunkulu raises abantu abafana nani nesihoko soma sithi who is this? So lokho sithi u-ST kanti u-ST usekhuluma inhliziyo yakhe ngoba ukhokhela 50,000 sigcina singasezi lathi.
True. I'm certain if you look at the influence
Yes.
that you are making to the body of Christ, is that le ingaba more influential for his purpose. So what's in yenze so?
Uzophuca abantu esandleni sakho.
Eish.
Ungasinekeli mfethu. Masuqala ukusinekela uzokuba sinqaba ukuza kwi-podcast.
Lutho. Mina nje into engicela kunini.
uNkulunkulu khona. uNkulunkulu khona.
Covet
We
your
thank God.
prayers.
Yeah,
So nje please.
you are covered.
Ngomhla 29 ngiyakumema March sobe sila eThekwini
Sengiyimeme.
sizothandaza.
All
Please
right,
do
my
come.
brother.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Siswami.
much. Siyabonga.
Futhi thank you so much lapho emakhaya sihleli naye udadewethu uNtokozo Lanzimase. Yes, ningakhohlwa umhla ka29 March sizobe sikhona la eThekwini address 139 Victoria Embankment sobe sikhona khona lapho nje lokhu nibona lokhu ngisho siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu. uNkulunkulu anicine ke, uNkulunkulu anibusise nonke lapho emakhaya. I am your host ST Dlamini. See you on the next episode. God bless you.